Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add contact information on lock screen on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app in your Samsung Galaxy phone. So go ahead, search for settings and open it. Once open the settings, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style or wallpaper and lock screen. Now locate lock screen and click on that, which is the first option. Once selected, I should see contact information. Now, to add your contact information on lock screen on your Samsung device, click on contact information. Now, go ahead and add your contact information. Or, you can also add your phone number. So, which one that pleases you, you can even add both the phone number and then the email address. Now, go ahead and click on done. Then it should sit just like this. Once you click on done, click on the done button at top right. Then it should say changes apply to lock screen. Now, when next your Samsung phone screen is locked, then you should see your contact information on the screen like this. You see that? So that is exactly how to add contact information on lock screen on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.